Tonight we're going back in time 600 years for 14th century pork on Cooking with Jon. Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole! Oh, got the bubble over. Uh-oh! This is gonna be fucking full of shit. Okay, well I'm glad she's a picnic trucker, but she's not a chicken. Guys, as I said, tonight we're going back in time to the 14th century for a roasted pork. I know it sounds a little odd. When I think of medieval, I think of, knights and chalices, jousts and things like that. But really, I'm kind of interested to see what they actually ate. So this is from a recipe from the 14th century, from an old cookbook, and it's courtesy of medievalcookery.com. If you don't know what we do, guys, we go online, find ourselves a recipe, go to the store, and pick stuff up and make it. Ordinarily, I make, international dishes, usual fan favorites, pizza, that sort of stuff, or just different recipes that I've never tried before. I never tried a 14th century recipe. I'm kind of excited to do this. I think it could be really interesting. This is day 96 of my 360-day cooking challenge, I believe, guys, and day 35, 36 of my world record as well. My world record is cooking a different dish off the internet consecutively without ever repeating. I got an application with Guinness. They'll get back to me. I realized given the coronavirus it could take a little longer. So guys, without saying anything else, let's get to this one. I'm looking forward to some medieval pork. Alright, so we're going to start this recipe. It's pretty simple. As it is a 14th century recipe, I assume they are fairly simple. My pot's a little more modern, mind you, but hey, whatever. It says to do it in the oven, but I'm not doing that. I need it outside on my smoker just because, what the hell? Seems like it's the right thing to do. They wouldn't have cooked it in the oven, so let's cook it over some actual heat. So we're going to start with our pork. It's almost a 2-pound roast, just shy of it. Throw that in there. Tells us to add our wine. That is 2 cups of red wine. In there with a cup cloves of garlic, minced garlic. And, Christ, caraway and coriander, ½ teaspoon each. I had to think about it for a second, what was putting in it. And just a ½ teaspoon of salt, and a ½ teaspoon of pepper. There we are. And that's all that's in there, guys. Not much to it, really, as I said. We're going to take that outside, and we're going to throw that on the smoker. So we're going to just put it right over the heat and let her simmer there. Away. Slip that together. We'll let that simmer away and check on it occasionally and baste the pork. That's what it tells us to do, is baste it. So. Welcome back, guys. I got my buddy here now. He wanted to be in the final taste. Oh, apparently she wants to be in the tasting too. That's fine. Here's our pork, guys. Doesn't that look delicious? Looks friggin' amazing. 14th century pork recipe, guys. That's what that is. So, put a little bit on the plate here to see what we think. I had to show the pork like that. Oh, you're eating potatoes. Okay, that's fine. A couple pieces of pork on there. And then we'll put that sauce on with it and see what we think. Excuse me, man. That pork cooked up really nice outside, guys. That was awesome. A lot of fun, too. So, thumbs up. Let's take a look, see what we think. Hang on, get out of there. Looking pretty good, eh, guys? Let's see what we think of this pork. As I said, this is a 600-odd-year-old recipe. That's really good, actually. Damn. People 600 years ago knew what they were doing. Jesus. Wow, you want to try some of that? Hey? You want to try some of that? No?
No sauce.
Try a bit. Try it. It's good. Anyway, guys, come over and take a look at the date and time. It is Thursday, the 9th of April. At 6:31 p.m. in Temiskaming Shores. I will take a screenshot of that, too. I apologize I didn't put it in the last video, but I will put it at the end of this one. Anyway, guys, if you like what you're seeing, throw those thumbs up. Don't forget that subscribe button. Anything else you want to see me cook, throw it in the comments. I'm thinking about doing some of these more of these medieval recipes. They're kind of a blast, I tell you. It's fun. Interested to see what they ate 600 years ago. Damn good, too. And anyway, guys, bye for now. We'll see you next time.